Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start in the app, open Safari on your device and go directly to Settings. On a Mac, click Safari, then Preferences. On an iPhone, open Settings and tap Safari. Once there, find the Privacy and Security section. This is where tracking, cross-site data, and fingerprinting controls live. You need this panel to toggle off protective features. Make sure you're signed into the correct user account because you're changing settings for that profile only, not system-wide. Now you change each control. Switch off Prevent Cross-Site Tracking to stop Safari from isolating third-party trackers. This allows sites to share cookies across domains. If Block All Cookies is enabled, turn it off so sites can store session data. This may log you into fewer pages automatically, but it's required. Also, disable Fraudulent Website Warning only if you understand the risks, because it removes a layer of safety. Once done, Safari will behave less private. Finish by restarting Safari. Quit and reopen the app so changes take effect. Then test with a couple of sites to confirm cookies and cross-site features work as expected. Log into services you previously had trouble with. If a site breaks, clear cache and cookies for that domain because stale data can conflict with new permissions. If problems persist, toggle settings back one at a time to identify the cause. And remember, you can always restore default Safari privacy settings if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.